Hi, I'm Alice, and I'm here to talk about saving money and helping to save the planet with heat pump water heaters on Everything We Do Matters. So why did I pick a heat pump water heater? We wanted to lower our monthly expenses and we needed a new water heater, so we looked at all the options and heat pump water heaters seemed to save us the most money. All the reviews said we saved about $350 to $450 a year. Plus my dad had one and was installing another one for a member of the family. And Dad says he saves about $40 a month on electricity with it. So it seemed like a good deal. Plus I care about pollution and having fresh air, so we went for it. What is pricing for traditional hot water heaters versus heat pump hot water heaters? It's hard to say because it all depends on the size of the water heater, but heat pump water heaters are more money. And when we looked at reviews, it seemed like prices for the higher energy usage heaters were around $1,000 depending on the size. But then installation costs money also. And heat pump water heaters were about $1,600 to $1,850. But masssave.com has a whole program trying to help people save money on buying heat pump water heaters. They actually have a whole program trying to help people save money on their energy costs all over the house. There are state rebates for buying certain sizes, as long as the plumber installs them, which lowers the cost even more. Overall, our electricity bill went down about a third from what it was. Plus, we have an app that shows us our exact usage so we can control our energy consumption. And since we are saving money on electricity, in about 2 years, we'll be putting that savings in our pocket. Some considerations are space. The ceiling needs to be high enough and there needs to be enough space in the room for air to circulate. But as you can see, it doesn't need a whole lot of room. Heat pump water heaters remove heat from the existing air in the room to heat the water in the tank. In the winter, it only seemed to bring down the temperature in the room by a few degrees, maybe 5 on a cold night, but every house will be different. In the spring, summer, and fall, it works even better, plus it dehumidifies, which is very helpful. MassSave, a plumber, or someone knowledgeable can answer these questions about size and other considerations. So, why is electrifying utilities so important for the earth? Electricity can get us to zero carbon emissions so the air is no longer polluted. You can electrify all stages of production with renewable energy, so even making the devices that create renewable energy can be done without polluting. Even so-called low-emission fossil fuels pollute. Natural gas has leaks all along the distribution line, sending gas into the air. Also with electricity, you have the option of creating and storing your own energy, which gives the power directly back to you. I saved a lot, and you can too, because everything we do matters.